Looking for the perfect cordless drill but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices out there? Today we're breaking down 5 of the most talked about models, ranked from the weakest to the very best, so you can pick up the one that actually fits your needs. Kicking off our list at the bottom spot is the WORKPRO cordless drill. It's a decent pick for beginners or occasional DIYers, but when stacked against the competition, it lands in 5th place. Why? It does the job, but doesn't quite rise above basic. This WORKPRO comes with a 20-volt battery and dual speed settings, so it's got enough juice for assembling furniture or light home repairs. It's lightweight, comes with accessories like drill bits and a storage bag, and it doesn't try to be more than what it is, a no-fuss, entry-level drill. But here's the rub. It only pushes out about 203 inch-pounds of torque. That's on the lower end, especially if you're planning to do more than hang pictures. It also has a brushed motor, which means it's a little less efficient and won't last as long as the brushless competition. The 3/8-inch chuck limits you to smaller bits too. This drill is really best for someone just getting into home projects or looking for a budget-friendly spare. It'll handle lightweight jobs just fine. Just don't expect it to take on a weekend of deck building. Oh, and before we move on, you'll find links to all the drills in this review at the best available prices right down in the video description. Next up, and taking 4th place, is the HOTO cordless drill. Now, this one's a totally different vibe. Sleek, techy, and super precise. It's not the most powerful in the lineup, but it's smartly designed and very user-friendly. You're getting a brushless motor, USB-C charging, and a unique digital display for torque and gear settings. Pretty rare in this price range. It delivers 266 inch-pounds of torque, which is respectable for light jobs, and weighs under 2 pounds. The control you get with the 30-speed gears is actually amazing for precision work. That said, it's only a 12-volt system, which limits its power compared to the bigger drills on this list. And unlike others, it has a fixed internal battery, so once that runs out, you're done until it charges back up. You'll also lose flexibility with a 3/8-inch chuck if you need larger bits. Still, for anyone who values design, control, and portability, like if you're into DIY crafts or furniture assembly, this is a very cool tool. By the way, if you're finding this review helpful so far, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another breakdown like this. Sliding into the middle of the pack at number 3 is the ever-popular DEWALT drill. This is one of those models you've probably seen at every hardware store, and there's a good reason for that. It's reliable, compact, and backed by a trusted name. What makes this drill stand out is the inclusion of 2 batteries right in the box, plus a tough 1/2-inch chuck that fits a wide range of bits. It's small enough to get into tight spots and still packs decent speed and torque for everyday use. It feels solid and well built, just like what you'd expect from DEWALT. Now here's the catch. It still uses a brushed motor, and the included 1.3 amp-hour batteries are kind of underwhelming. So while it's a great tool for general use, it might run out of juice faster than you'd like, especially on bigger jobs. This is a solid middle ground pick, not too basic, not too fancy. Great if you want something dependable that can handle most home improvement projects without breaking the bank. Coming in 2nd place is a bit of a sleeper hit, the DEKOPRO cordless drill. It may not be a household name, but this one surprised us with the value it delivers, especially if you're on a budget but want more power than entry-level drills. You're getting a solid 354 inch-pounds of torque, a good 2-speed gearbox, and a set of accessories that make it great straight out of the box. It's easy to use, has just enough kick to take on moderate projects, and the price makes it a strong contender. Still, it's not brushless, and we suspect it runs on a brushed motor, which means you might not get the same lifespan or efficiency as some of the top-tier models. Plus, it's limited to 3/8-inch chuck and a 1.5 amp-hour battery, which isn't ideal for heavy workloads. That said, if you're looking for the most bang for your buck and you're doing light to moderate drilling and screw driving tasks, this one's definitely worth checking out. Just know your limits and you'll be good to go. And finally, taking the top spot in today's lineup, the Greenworks drill. This thing just brings it all together. Power, performance, battery life, and smart design. If you want one drill that can do almost anything, this is it. First off, the brushless motor pushes out a strong 400 inch-pounds of torque, more than any other drill in this review. It comes with not 1, but 2 batteries, including a high-capacity 4.0 amp-hour pack. The speed tops out at a blazing 2000 RPM, and the 1/2-inch chuck means it's ready for serious work. Now, it's a bit bigger and heavier than the ultra-compact models, and the 24-volt platform might not be as common as 20-volt systems, but if you're investing in tools long-term, the Greenworks ecosystem is growing fast. This is the drill for serious DIYers or pros who want solid performance without paying premium brand prices. If you need a workhorse that won't hold you back, this one earns its number 1 spot. There you have it, 5 solid drills, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're just starting out or need a tool that can handle the tough stuff, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to find the top-rated options at the best price. And if you haven't yet, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this one.